Ladies and gentlemen, we're out here in Lufkin, Texas. We've got a Cat 336 GC excavator here. A little over 8,000 total hours on it, 4,000 operating hours, and the rest are idle hours, guys. Nice clean unit here. I'll give you a quick little operations and let you see this machine. All right, check it out. All right, as you can see, guys, the machine starts, runs, and operates as it should. All the drive motors have great power. All the hydraulics are working great. You know, 2-speed machine, as I was showing you, both speeds work on it. It's a nice unit, guys. If you're interested in this unit, it's located here in Lufkin, Texas. Give us a call, 972-666-9501 or 1-855-EQ-DEALS. Thank you very much.